In this video, let's compare Nextcloud versus Immich and see which self-hosted media platform is better for you. Nextcloud is full cloud solution, not just for photos, but also files, documents, contacts, and calendars. It's like having your own private Google Drive. For media, it offers galleries, sharing, and syncing, but it's not built specifically for large photo collections. Immich, on the other hand, is built purely for photos and videos. It's open source, optimized for mobile uploads, AI-powered search, face recognition, and blazing fast performance. If your main goal is Google Photos replacement, Immich is a better choice. Pick Immich if you want a dedicated modern photo platform that feels like Google Photos but self-hosted. Pick Nextcloud if you want an all-in-one private cloud with more than just media. The choice is clear. For general cloud storage, Nextcloud. For media, fierce performance, Immich. So which one would you go for? Leave your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.